Hi, my dear viewers. Thank you so much. And I think that you are well, all of you are well by the grace of God. I'm also fine. And I'm here with a new subject today. You see on the board the new subject rhyme. As far as you are concerned, I'm working on sound of alphabet for a long time. For many days. But today, I would like to show you some problems in some rhymes. It is very important problems for us. It is because that the teachers were teaching the students the rhymes in the class. Their rhyming sounds, our rhyming sounds, are appropriate, correct, but there are some problems of sounds here. As much as I'm concerned with the rhymes, with the teachings. So, I would like to show some correct pronunciation, correct rhythmical sound of rhymes. So, let's come to our main point. You see a rhyme here. The name of the rhyme is Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle Twinkle. How will recite the rhyme? What's the correct sound? Real sound of some words we should know. Otherwise, it's impossible for us to recite the rhyme correctly. Let's try to recite the rhyme, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like this. But we are reciting in the class, some people, some teachers, some past